We have the engine here. It looked awful, but fortunately we just started the engine and it was just perfect. Very silent, no noise of the chain inside, of the valves, nothing. It was perfect. So we're gonna clean up the engine very well and repaint it silver just like standard original. As for the frame, we thought about repainting it also silver. So we can use different colors for the body if we have a silver frame. And we will keep the tank as original and we will change everything else. Side panels, front and rear fenders and front fairing. We're gonna put all our special parts.